walls beneath the ground, hidden fortresses no one found. Generals whisper, plans unfold, in shadows deep the secrets hold. Commitment burns without a scar, but battle scars tell who you are. No mercy for the ones who break, the silent watch the moves they make. Let the dogs out, cage undone, fury unleashed, the fight's begun. No prisoners in this war-torn night. Survive the dark, embrace the fight. Print the pages, keep the books, resilience in hidden nooks. Anchor points across the lands, prepared to strike with iron hands. The fortress waits beyond the storm, a cold retreat, a hidden form. When chaos calls and dogs are freed, the price is paid, the hunger feeds. Let the dogs out, cage undone, fury unleashed, the fight's begun. No prisoners in this war-torn night. Survive the dark, embrace the fight. Whispers move through secret halls, code of silence no one calls. Eyes are watching, always there, ready when the world goes bare. Chains unbound, the fury wakes, every move the system takes. Unnecessary evil's breath, dancing close to life and death. Overly cautious eyes that burn, waiting for the tides to turn. Space lawyers warn